This morning I will update the trading signals discussed last week, which, as a reminder, we had some daily setup 9 buy signals on the Eurostock 50, on the S&P 500, on DAX. All of these signals trigger a technical bounce of the market, of these markets. And what didn't work is the Japanese stock market, which continued to decline. One more trading signal, contrarian trading signal this morning that I will show you. This is a contrarian sell signal on WTI, which is a setup 9 sell, and also a quite topish view on the energy sector in Europe after the strong outperformance of the last months. So first of all, if we start with a daily chart on the Eurostock 50 cash index, so you can see the daily setup 9 buy we discussed last week, and the technical bounce which is on the way. So significant technical bounce. I still think it's a trading buy and nothing more than a trading buy. Why? Because as you can see here, there are significant technical resistances around the TDST resistance line, which is at 35.05, and also the 200 moving average, which is flattening right above this level at 35.15. So overall, we can consider the market is just making a trading buy. Also, in terms of value to wave, we had a nice ABC correction. So technical bounce, and we'll see later. So what I would recommend, if we see further rise in coming days to 3,500, then I would preferably take some profits on the trading call, and after that we'll see, and if the index is strong enough to make a significant breakout. Similar outlook on the S&P 500. So you can see the setup 9 buy close to the low last week. Technical bounce on the way, and once again a TDST resistance line at 27.80, knowing that the 2800 area is still a very important resistance zone. So once again, trading buy on the way, and but I would book some profits close between let's say 27.80 and 2800. One more DeMark signal, interesting DeMark signal this week. This one is on the WTI. What we can see is that on Wednesday we had a daily setup 9 sell signal on WTI, calling for the start of a pullback, and this is exactly what we started to see on WTI yesterday. Start of a pullback on a Trump tweet. So I expect a further consolidation move in the near term on WTI, knowing that WTI is still a bullish chart, and what I would play is just a pullback and not a significant trend reversal so far. Interesting comment on oil and gas in Europe. This is my matrix of stock sectors. What you can see here is that oil and gas is in the top right of this matrix. So oil and gas is obviously a leading sector, one of the best sectors in Europe right now. But usually when sectors are entering in this part, it also highlights overbought conditions, which could trigger some steep short-term setbacks. So I don't think that it's a good timing anymore to increase exposure on oil and gas, and I think we should be prepared for some pullbacks, which will probably go in line with the correction of WTI prices. Okay, so last comment is just one thing, is Allez la France.